this is how you use a Carcano. For close range, you're going to want to set the sight all the way down. The Carcano is known to shoot high. That button is how you adjust the sight.
Try aiming your Carcano like this if you're shooting too high. Don't waste your 6.5 Carcano ammo. These diagrams will help you a lot.
This is our Carcano Safety. Let me show you how that works. So, our Carcano is fed by a Mannlicher end block clip that gets inserted. Hold on. Goes in like this.
Let me know below what rifle you'd like to see how to use next.
To release the magazine, there's that little button here. Hold on, fellas.
Comment below any ideas why didn't the release work.
Wouldn't be a Carcano without some issues. This is the safety. You push in. Now the rifle, safe. To take it off, safety, push it back in. It's quite cumbersome.
Gotcha, bitch!
Holy shit. Mine didn't eject the clip. Still in there. This is
If you're looking for quality Snapcaps, this is where I got these.
my Carcano 41. Sporterized, as you can see. Funny enough, this is my first Carcano. The bolt, besides the end block clip, has a lot of similarities to a Mosin Nagant, in a sense, with a pretty similar safety design. Overall, I'm really happy with the gun. I picked it up for a steal, I think. Comment below, how much do you think I picked up this long Carcano for? And hold on, I didn't show you that, boys. Matching stock to the receiver.